Who lives here? Which one of you lives here?
I fought Chewy.
You.
Welcome to Who Watch News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Hello? Why are you here? Hello? Why? I'm calling cops.
I fought Chewy. I'll take the mail back. Take the mail back. Take the mail back. No, take the mail back. Take the mail back. Take the mail back. Take the mail back.
We got a lot of strange people coming on to porches in this video. Let me know what you guys think about this one. Is this guy lost or is he trying to break in?
Hey, I'm on the side door. It's not lying.
Get the fuck away from my door.
I'm assuming this man received some bad mail today. He has a real bad attitude.
You try to sue my mom? I'll fuck you up! You fucking me!
Go good, leave me alone. Yeah, you do. Leave me alone. No, you don't want shit. No, fuck you. No. Leave me alone, dude.
You're knocking on the door.
Good, yeah, good.
My phone? You
No,
got
I ain't
federal
fuck-
warrants, bitch.
No, good, bitch. You got more soup, huh? Snitch. Good, go, bye. Bye, bitch. Bye, faggot. Good, bitch.
Probably just one of those drug love disputes.
Good job, huh?
They'll be back together.
Bye, bitch. Bye.
You know where I hope. Yo! Message in a box. Message in a bot. 1 year has passed. Time. Bro. Yo.
A paintball gun is a great idea for these people.
Yo.
I'm calling 911.
Okay. Hello, sir. What's going on? Nobody lives here? Hey, who lives here? Which one of you lives here? You aren't gonna fucking do that to me! You backstabbing fucks! Backstabbing motherfuckers!
This man has been standing around this door for 10 minutes. Let me know if you think this is
Hey,
legit.
dude, you got the wrong house.
Hey man, I'm so sorry to wake you up. I believe my truck was either stolen or towed, and my dog is in the back, and I see
Sorry,
that you have...
there's nothing I can do. Call the police.
I already called the police. I just see that
Yeah,
you have...
there's nothing I can do, dude. I'm gonna call the police if you keep persisting being at my door right now.
Please help me, man.
No, there's nothing I can do. Call 911.
I just see that you have a Ring camera, and I'm just trying to figure out where my...
Check out those locked mailboxes to try to prevent this from happening, especially with this tax season going on right now.
Dang, why are you in my mailbox? Who the fuck?
Get the fuck out!
Hey, what's up, man? Can I help you with something? Hey, where are you going?
In this type of mood. This your people? Oh, this ain't my people. Who Porch this is? Oh my fucking God. Oh my mama. I want them to stroke it. I mean, I hope it's a female. I'm fucking bad, bitch. Put it. I just sit down. I don't know. I'm scared. But I'm tired of people, women coming to the door. What about if I get cussed out by a nigga?
Hey! Somebody ran and somebody stole something off the porch! What do you want? Who? Alright.
Do you have one?
A what? Say no.
Do you have a cigarette? I am.
No.
Just trying to use the bathroom?
I guess he's too good to go find a tree, or he's just up to something else.
What the fuck? Man, I was gonna go. I just seen somebody at my fucking car, dog.
As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to lock those bikes up. I'm pretty sure he's going to come back for the quad.
Huh?
Tell them ring doorbell camera that we want.
Nobody's not there.
What?
Nobody's listening.
Yeah. Thank you. Good quiet. I bought it 300 of it. Jesse wanted a mercy.
Thank you for watching Hood Watch News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.